Hey guys, Theresa here. Have you ever stalked someone and accidentally viewed their Insta story? Well, I'm going to show you what you can do so they can't see that you have viewed it. So stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So say if you are stalking your ex-boyfriend's Instagram account and you accidentally viewed his story, no need to fear. This is what you can do. So say for example here, I've got an account where I'm viewing this person's story, and of course they'll be able to see that I have viewed it. What you can do here is you can go into their profile, tap onto the three dots and hit block. Once you block them, they won't be able to view that you have seen their story. So that's how you do it, guys. So just wait another 24 hours and then unblock them. So they will not have a clue that you have viewed their stories. So I hope this hack has helped you. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.